The views and opinions expressed on this show by the host do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready?
Abasebenza la bathi makhi sichilo omunye umuntu usebenza la o
I don't like where this is going. I don't like where this is going.
Wathi hayi elisebenza la mina unjani Thomkhulu so olezivuna
ovele take did you get that one? Yeah. Let's go.
Olezivuna alright ngicabanga ukuthi mbani ongabe epakile lapha
Wathi mina namagenga amasipakanga
anasipakanga lezi members zami sengithi nthunja vele ngithwele ukunari short.
I was like, this must be the guy. This must be the guy.
Yeah. Indoda mele ipaka.
No, you know what, gentlemen, this is the anatomy of a typical Nguni man. Hey, udopengula limbona umathifukeni nje wayenjani ndoda.
Which is not an insult anyway.
You know. Ushaka, I can assure you, bro.
Hey, but you wanna
remember lana ejimisa abantu cheke South Africa lana ehlaba iduwe clear. You know.
Engurasta
lana. Ituke ngakani indoda.
But lwana la sisenza kakhulu futhi and usethi goka into ezibambayo lo.
First black man yokwenza imali nge.
The first black man to what?
Yokwenza imali nge into.
Ayakube indodwele ngikhala kathi GT6 yezibunu.
Doda indune ngaka yabona kanti kudala wawo isikhathi sabo lobhengula ngawungagqoka amasudu.
Yeah?
Igqoka isudu ulezivunu. Like yawani
guys, mina I just I always thank God ukuthi like those times ohamba like mina ngakuthiwa ngazalwa ngesikhathi kaShaka.
Hey.
Amalele pande.
But I'm sure at that time it's probably the same reason why someone was born.
Where's the chain, bro?
It's probably the same reason why someone was born ngale in those Arab nations. You know what I'm saying? Uteni, bro.
Zamuzo.
All right, let's finish the show one.
Okay. Kule snippet engisibonile sika King Kandoro. Comedian.
Nguye lonu zakama
bafunga
kuyase.
Ezithi amazima point. Reason why abantu besonda kwamanye ama countries ukuthi singahamba sikwanise kuba low key.
Siba number 1.
Sifuna siba number 1 yo CEO bengibona kuthiwa one of the highest paid CEOs eMzansi Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Queen of amapiano Shasha.
Former MTN CEO Zimbabwe.
No Ramaphosa.
The trimlani robotics lene ukugudlana ngeZimbabwe.
Ramaphosa.
Okay.
Awuyazi voice note.
Awani khala lelena wena ngene Zimbabwe.
Awuyazi voice note lena kaChumla sithi Ramaphosa. Thathi nathonga utho wehlele number 1 la. Sasindiza Ramaphosa. Awuyazi voice note. Kuthi nguRafael Maphosa. Abathi ngegoli wazibiza Ramaphosa.
Every time singahamba.
Suspect uMapholisa. Nomapholisa akhuluma kudala. Lo Thamba lo.
Late to say tree.
I've been talking about Usetril for episodes.
Usetril bro.
Sengwebulawayo nje.
Usetril bena wakhupha ibizo lakhe
Omunye
likhona.
umuntu ngamkhangela bro.
You won't find his
Yabona
name.
ukuthi hayi lesikhumba zalaba nje.
Like airpost ezithi solo ngathi lobo ngithetha bijana.
He does.
Furthermore, Usetril.
Tawusolo
Fanalo is smokers.
Ngoyitungisa.
Tawusolo fana nje ngomanager we-smokers.
Ayimazi.
Awumazi Ezra Sheki.
Oh,
Guys, ngikanjani member yami.
Awuyazi remember yethu Sheki sonke bro.
Remember yena ngiyazi.
Can insult ukuthi ufana sophenduka.
Hayi nje. I-celebrity bro.
He looks
He's
like
the king of puns.
Kuzenini uEzra ngamtshela mina ufana na more lo dladla mshunqisi than uso.
Lapha umqala lapha.
Ayimqala ufanana ndoda.
abantu bafanayo.
Bahambelana. Ubahambelana.
Engathi la uEzra. Adi bafanayo. Olokuzenini? Olokuzuthanda lo bani? Usetril.
Setrilo.
Nkosazana.
Was it the last song on the album? The title song.
Na ngimfollow like.
I'm in love with the foreigner. Na mina Google album yakho. Kule ngoma uthi I'm in love with the foreigner.
Nipe nqawe ikhuluma nginyi out.
But abetholotho Black Diamond.
Selengazi.
Ngeze shwani.
Yenze shwani.
Lotira futhi.
Kulesikhathi laphi
Uthira anti ngumarufu.
kulesikhathi laphi Black Diamond ke yahlala khona koBulawayo so
Long time.
Said for mara.
No, yeah, for real.
Doda kule period
Yeah, we have this on good authority sibili.
koBulawayo.
Yeah.
Last year.
Iruma lithi babebonakala besiya ko
Awutira vele stories zakhe lesenze passport ngamanga.
Passport ulamanga utira ayiki la ipassport ayalahlayo. Amaphepha.
Hey, lo tiro othi walahla passport.
So kahle into emele si establish lapha ukuthi amaZimbabwe vele yena. Kulalona etha uBlack Panther lo anti yabo.
Owa.
Everywhere.
Undanai.
Danai.
Tongo danai.
Kurira.
Yo we.
Last number le
Athi
shortcut.
ngiyongo ngwanga.
Ubani?
Unyongo.
Unyongo mbani?
Ngwanga.
Unyongo mbani?
Lupita.
Oh, angwekenya yona.
but
Bathi
la
ulo
ngomunye
kundebele unyongo.
Yiswa uPogba ngandindebele kodwa emkhaya.
Upogba ngani ndintv.
uPogba.
Paul
Pogba.
Usongwe okay sithi so. Sabona afana benkomo bewoka.
Even ezingosane leziyana ongachayisana la ranking like on brand sibili. Uyayikhohla vele. Engumane man.
Abantu abaZimbabwe maningi kakhulu njami
Sathi
SA.
yo.
Yawo manje ngathi
for a fact.
Yamani
ngicambuza like ngicambuza like nxa ngathi umuntu
Abukhulumela phansi.
maybe nxa ngathi umani ngani lishona ku offensive.
Hayi.
Indebele ngani Indebele andikontsheni ngamthole
Khuluma
ranking
ngabantu
lapha
ePora
if you are arrivals lana maybe enkaya like
Yeah, positive ile lokuthi.
La iproblem yaba ukuthi liqamba ama face alodubo phakathi sithi.
but umapolisa ndothi ibizo lakhe ngusani boys agents kumele
Ngoba umane weface lodubo la. Iface engagezeki
But
ngemali.
bakhona nje baningi ndoda. Yeah.
ngolo kanti vele la
kanti Zimbabwe.
Ekaspa
Sithi ukabelo lo.
Angolo kanti.
Ukapsa ikobela.
Ubani?
Ukabs the small lobo ngani nathi nje engombichana.
Alani 8 liyana.
But anyways,
hey asiqhese in podcast hey
ngithanda ukuza ngibone i-comment ithiwa sithi ladies and gentlemen.
Phasithini.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ngoba nalo akasendele ni voice note esithi ladies sifake.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Boys and girls.
Fwe.
Welcome to another episode of the ByoPodcast in Ngxoxo 99. Namhlanje le audience. The last time siwe le audience ukhona obe wadunusa lapho wasibuyisela ama glass la.
Sa editor.
Sa editor. Ngongathi ukhanyi kumele kwabhadalwa. So abangasebenzi la cela lihlala lapho elikhona.
Lingashetereki.
noma singaze chaya ingoma emnandi njani ungazithola subamba itafula
kumnandi ukuthi yabusa ufuna ukuzithola vele la besula. But otherwise, yeah, how are you guys doing?
Chilios. Ujames ehleka futhi.
Utheni kanti?
How I see.
Khuluma sihle lathi.
Why is it always my fault?
Umsuzu uvele kuwe. Umsuzu yakhiphisa amaphethe.
I keep it. I think one packet or something.
Yeah,
bro.
siyafaka. Yeah, siyafaka.
Sibili nje.
Umsuzu abe singaku.
Ngoba la kuthi offside nje.
Anything back door.
Yeah.
Asayifuni. We're cleaning up this
that's sharp.
podcast.
But kule
kunomuntu otheni wena? Kunomuntu othe laphana silabo umthoko kulo muntu othe kuthiwa thina i-podcast leyo ngabeli ngoba sasingakhuluma amakaka
Until uze uyiJade lo Vuyi.
Nah, no.
Sasikhuluma
Yeah.
amakaka. But
Yeah.
sasikhuluma amakaka thina.
Wena uyimbasada yamakaka. Wena.
but kuthiwa ama-episode sesilani
Sesilani kwesiqale khona ukukhuluma ngakunye.
Kakhululeka kakhulu lani.
No, which means I make you guys comfortable. That's it. Yeah.
Ayi,
Actually-
mnani, so
Kulelo
ngikhuluma nje
kuzileni
njalo.
kule state kule comment engiyibonileyo actually from the previous episode mathematics ezama-pets.
Calculus yama-pets.
Yeah, ngathi
Yeah.
i-formula yabo. Angizange ngayizwisisa mina ibingathi complicated. Ngayifaka kuma-status. Vuyi sicela usibalele i-maths zangikhona la.
Che into lana lesho ukuthi edropile kimi ndoda.
Actually did, bro. What are you
For
saying?
real?
Mina, bro.
Yeah.
Ngiqhubele ifoni yakabantu.
Yeah. 'Cause I'm not saying
Yeah,
it, bro.
useless, bro.
Nah, I ain't saying it, bro.
Kare zuzuza ngene uthuza ama-light. Ayakho.
Alright, kathezo oza kuma ama-jokes awe agisa
Alright,
mphathisa 10
yaphathisa
pence.
ama-pets.
Yeah.
Sesikhulumani la.
All right. This is a comment from Tandegile. Right. He met his pets, Liz. So, hey, BYO podcast. This is an amazing thing that you're doing, Yama pads. For example, to do something to complete a cycle. Right. For example, day 1 or in 24. Don't discuss Tandegile, and I'm trying to summarize it. But yeah.
Juice is key.
Tandegile, meet us halfway, right? Anyway.
Vala.
Right. Day 1 or in 24 hours, 12 to 15 pads needed per person for changing.
Asambi, but time to create.
All right. Day 2.
Abanikazi besitho bathi
Sizakhuluma ama-comments.
abanikazi benkwaks.
Yeah, reaction.
I don't think you Anyway, so day 1 or in 24 hours, 12 to 15 pads needed per person for changing. Day 2 equals to 12 pads needed. Day 3, 8 pads needed. Day 4, 8 pads needed. Day 5, 8 pads. Day 6, 6 pads needed. Day 7,
60.
6 pads. 35 pads per person per cycle needed.
Yeah, she took heavy with the flow to another level.
Yeah.
Nyoni mchachaza.
Yeah.
Is it maybe okay? Can we now work with that as a highest
already
parameter
did
to
it.
accommodate
So,
everyone?
But she summarized it a bit.
Nika abantu abale nto
uthe
zangona.
ngizwe lisithi hayi mani ngiqedibela.
Yeah.
Uthe ngizwe lisithi selile 2847 pads. So kutsho ukuthi liza kupha amantombazane angu81 for their one cycle. Kuhle lokho.
Khona kuhle kodwa ke kumuntu ophuma igazi ngaleyo ndlela unless maybe kuthiwe ukhiphe something or uvela zala
Thini kathi thini?
or kubleed indlovu akula muntu obleeda amapesa ngo-12 one day hawu abafana hawu because
Personally,
anyone
asilawa amangwanda so asiwazi.
I'm telling you any
Wese mina into lezi ngi-uploada ngingakwazi. Ngifake ku-status. Abantu abanikazi benkwaks bathi
hayi mina uthandekile uzifunela amaphakethe wakhe amaningi athi abe set for 5 months
Hayi ncane ukudonate amaningi.
hayi ukudonate
ngiyangaphi.
which one is this one bruh because anyone it can last you for up to 2 to 3 hours and of which during the uzujinje ka 12 after every drop uyakhipha after every drop hayi even
So nelisebenze ngengaki per day. Mina vele I was like per
per day you
cycle.
can use 3
Per cycle.
or
So
4.
can we get a
per cycle you can use
Actually,
a
we're
packet
asking
and
the
a
wrong
half
people.
but anyway
No sizedinga
she
umuntu.
meant well hey thank you so much
Yeah,
but
siyabonga.
ayikho intombazane
Siyabonga kakhulu
Eyopha ngaleyo
Thandekile.
ndlela.
Uqhubeke ucomment.
Right
Okay.
Utheni lo? But I know abantu abanjengothandekile siyaba appreciate. Abantu abacommentayo.
abasinika structure lokuthi
Ba comment like senginanzelela ukuthi kulabantu kule different type of people ababukela i-podcast abalalela i-podcast yabo abantu sebebukela sibili i-podcast lokhu siyakuvumelana
Yeah.
With like quite a number of people now watching.
Yeah, nala ngisembukela podcast.
But you'd find ukuthi ama-comments ngabantu abanjengani. Why unga-comment?
Yeah,
Why unga-comment?
I like the comments, bro.
It's not enough, bro.
All right, I'll comment then.
Yabona karesi sesiku-point ukuthi abantu sebebukela but sesifuna engagement.
Engagement.
Episode 94. Yeah, episode 94. Yo. Kulabantu ababeya besitshela WhatsApp ukuthi babukela i-podcast. Abanye masihlangana laba bathi bayibukela religiously. uDakudu ngahlangana la wathi ngiyibukela religiously but angizaye ngibone comment.
Mina ngithanda ukubonga i-podcast ngoba I think ngithole soulmate yazi.
Soulmate.
Ngalandwa ngomunye umfana wayemuhle umfana Nkosi yami I hope akabukeli. Obviously uyabukela. Anyway, I saw it's probably another person. But what's he giving? We in the podcast don't wanna learn Mgcini. I'm like, yeah.
What about you inside the face?
Guys, I was blushing. Yeah, he was that hot. Can I have your number? I'm like, Mgcini is so short. This I Guys, I was with my mom today in the morning. She said she has lost hope. She was asking my friend's mom, "Wuti, can you know such a today?" I vela bahlupha. What Jane says is bahambele enyangeni. Kuthiwa kula la sign yokuthi kule boyfriend.
Akuthembisi.
Siyaphandle siya answer phone pho uphume ehambe siyadawa kuphela.
But ilibone ngani lapha inkomo ziyabuya sibili.
MJ
podcast.
Uthi wonke umuntu ku podcast.
Yeah.
Kodwa sizabuya apha ngisikhulumi.
Yeah. Mgcini.
As the face of the brand, the ladies still need to think the boy is single,
Ngizomgcina salobukela lezi.
Lingabotshela abantu into ezinjalo bayosebembuza.
Mgcini mina ngabona ipicture yakhe egqoke isuit
Kokele choba so abantu
bazana. Ukuthola le marriage certificate ka-2019 ezidule.
Yabona mele sihambe UK.
Umgcini bro engapost ipicture engalokudina le chair. I think rocker like
Ebe lokho sithingise sawa.
Kangona mankazi ne-94 alalekhaya. Sizinda ephumula.
But mina wanye ngakwazi mina ngikona.
Wena ufithile nje ukushada.
Kuchata mina.
Wena nguyashada kuqala la.
Yeah, ngizokuchata lezi.
Ku podcast la?
Yes.
Kube liyazi impilo yami engiyiphila manje. Feeling endlwa.
So creative boy.
Creative boy. Sengize ngishana ngomqondo.
Creative.
Ayikho idatha yevideo.
Ngiyethatha ngaphi idatha?
Na votela uTumelo, mina uTumelo yashada kuqala.
I think so as well.
Nana ngiyavotela
uTumelo. Yeah, Tumelo.
Tumelo, Ralph, yeah, that's my.
Kanti uthini ku Ralph?
Yeah.
Manithi how.
Kanti why are you surprised?
Wena, what are you saying? Oh, you don't know what you're saying.
About what? That is kumangani.
Anyway, it's fine. It's fine.
Anyways, bengisatshela abantu like ukuthi
we'll talk afterwards.
It's very important ukuthi nxa ubukela i-podcast or uyilalele.
Sikhothise. Into funny ngathi uJane wesizakhothwa kuqala labathethe ngakhothisa ku podcast. Kunini sicela?
Ingayiceli.
Elikhisa
ubuya automatically. Yabo so sicelani guys. Kulala bathi sibukela nge-TV. Awucommenteki. Kareso sibukele so yenza so. Thatha ifoni yakho ube ucomment.
Uthi yimo e-TV.
Vele ngawusule Wi-Fi ekwana ku TV la sefonini so tune efonini phela.
Uthi yimo e-TV.
Comment
be connected Ethernet TV.
Kulabantu abalalela ngithatha kwinto Spotify, Apple Podcast laba bathi awucommenteki. Yenza so. Pause akathesa ubuzo comment. Ngomba comment lokho esilalela. Thina sibe sikhuluma kwethu.
I'm sure you minimize lokho is it not?
Thina sibe sikhuluma kwethu.
Umsangano and shit.
Umsangano and shit.
How does that supposed to be amaviki ethu
Yeah. Do you want to share?
I mean, no, not really. Maybe with other guys. Mine was just a normal, regular week. Yeah.
Ralph.
Wambilo wadlalisa inyoka.
Ngicela
last week sithi this week ufuna ukudlalisa inyoka man.
No.
Inyoka.
Snakes.
Nah, I didn't get time to, but maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do it.
Okay. I went to that place and
there's a place like in yoga.
I was creative.
You might. No, there's a place that with snake. No, owns. There's a place with snake handlers. Snake
handlers. They handle the snake.
So like reptile education
Good Lord.
Yeah. So you just
Yeah,
get to
yeah.
Now there's nothing I want to learn about a
touch
snake
you,
that I don't know.
snakes.
No, but like for me, I've
actually a lot
got
that you
I've
don't
got an
know.
insane fear of snakes, you know. So
more easy
I
not to
read
go.
no, but I mean I kind of wanted to conquer it, man.
Kethi umpango uzihlalele nje uwodwa nje.
Yeah, yeah.
Phela mfuna
yeah.
ubone eduzane
Yeah.
bami.
And bengingani ngifuna ukuromba phela next year, you know. So I mean, I kind of want to familiarize myself with the apparatus, yabo.
Enye into
Yeah.
ngifisa ukuthi siyenze. Sesingaba le hashtag Twitter. Like I feel like amanye ama conversation ale potential ukuthi aqhubekele phambili noma singekho ku Twitter. Yiphi esingayisebenzisa? Hayi, ndoda.
Amani. Amagugu.
Anoge.
Yes.
Anoge.
Hashtag ByoPodcast.
Khotisana nini? Khotisana nanani?
Yeah, but
Kuthani ke
it's
isiNdebele?
important because
Yeah.
Zimbabwe kulula kutrend yawazi.
Yeah, hashtag ByoPodcast or
So, yeah,
hashtag
17
Ingxoxo
hashtags
99.
one.
Yeah.
I feel like Ingxoxo 99
No, but
ngathi
it's
bese limit.
simple to trend in any part of the world. Just bash men or bash
So
women,
Sithini?
you know. It's, yeah. It's,
Hey, hashtag ByoPodcast
Yeah, ByoPodcast 99.
99.
Asikhethe into eyi-one. Sikhethe into eyi-one.
Sibuza abantu like ukuthi ba.
All right, let's go around the room. Let's go around the room. Yeah.
Hayi comments. Basitshela ngama-comments.
Yeah, uma comments.
Yeah.
So comment right now ukuthi hashtag esingayisebenzisa ku Twitter yipi. Lebizo singabiza ngalabantu abasibukelayo abasilalelayo.
Umakhothisa.
It's Kotani. Come on. The audience.
Audience.
Yeah,
Mina nalo audience.
Audience. Yeah.
Audience.
Audience.
Kanti what if next thing isikhathi ephitshani thina senze into ayi Khotani.
Fakaliana.
man.
The Khotani.
Ithi
But
Khotani.
ule plan yazi.
Eh. It's a journey
Itim.
here voice.
Anoke nisikhothise lapha.
Ngeke nisikhothise lapha.
Anoge nisikhothise.
No, but anyone who gets event enjalo ehamba ni. I don't want to be friends with you because I don't think I'd be sitting ngizokuthiwa kule event ukuthi anoke nisikhothise.
So guys, kumele si-establish la ukuthi abantu ababukela i-podcast sithi ngobani? Audience. Guys.
Ama-chances phela sile chance yokuba corporate. There's a chance we might go corporate next
Kumele
year.
abantu bazosibuza ukuthi ibizo lo.
No, but you know what, right? Like I hear what you guys are saying.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to take the model of podcast and chill for lack of a better example. Like those guys will do whatever they're doing.
Hayi, but the audience.
But audience.
No, I hear what you're saying, right? But they're loyal. If
Shout out to the audience.
yeah, bro, like
Think I
if
didn't
we
know what you
admit,
doing.
if we admit that's the number one stakeholder. Yeah.
Exactly.
Exactly. Yeah, it's fine.
Audience nickname.
It's fine, yeah.
I-audience ngiyabachona la abakhomentayo lawana abakhomenta every day i-audience yama-audience ethu then like
Members of the
ama-viewers
audience.
or ama-listeners
Our listeners.
sibanike ukuthi bakhommente la kwama-suggestions then we
So
pick.
sifuna i-hashtag lebizo lena.
Sifuna i-hashtag lebizo
Yeah, not like people's choice, civil, yeah.
hashtag lebizo
Multi choice.
ngisenzela ukuthi phela abantu nxa
Wait,
nxa sesikhulile nxa sesilokuzile laba nxa sesikhulile i-podcast sinkulu la othi no la mnga-suggesta
I was
something
there.
ku-podcast
part of the
The problem
audience.
nge-democracy fucked up. So ngobona bayenza i-public poll ukuthi who should play the next Black Spider-Man. Bafaka like 3 black actors then phansi bafaka uRyan Gosling. uRyan Gosling yelida ngombe 82%. There was a time in Britain they did there was this escape ababesiyakha that was going to go like investigate the deep seas, or that was like science and exploration. So they did a public panel and wanted people to suggest a name for that. It wasn't a boat, it was a ship. Yabo so kulist amabizo amaningi. Ilast bizo lalifakwe kompa kwakunguBoaty McBoaty face. Ilela lilida to. Abantu bavotela ishit bro.
Hayi democracy
Democracy fucked up bro.
Yeah,
abantu
that's
ukuthi
true.
bazathi
like Trump. Yeah.
Did you see even ngesikhathi se run ka Trump kulo chomo otho uDisney atso elida? Bro. Got him. Now so okay, it's fine.
so lena lithi ibizo la
Nah, let's do it guys. Faka nini ibizo lena?
yeah basitshele then bese sibona ukuthi
Siyathola ama likes amaningi yilo.
sizabuya sizobala like amabizo abantu and shout out to silama members lapha ababhadalayo ukubukela i-podcast so mele siba appreciate phela ukuthi baphinde futhi babhadale silo Mpek Cyber nzabala kawana then bese liqakeze kumbe liyaqakeza izandla kumbe liyathi hululu
Adi praise
From
giving.
Bex.
Adi praise giving.
Mpek Cyber, Isaac Chat, Zama Klava, Tumelo Moyo, Vicky Storm, Andile Mgwebo, Slonandi, Kelvin BK, Yoli, Bed, Michelle Mgoni, Jordan Dume, Dala waqina ukucomment uJordan. I think wehlale angazi wehlale buza uDoc kumbe wehlale buza face ka Jay. But kule face ayihlale ufuna ukuyibona. Kulo Mawana Sibindi, Trish Guma, ngobale Van Khumalo, the girl from Bulawayo, Jenny of Kiri. Nganez Nasto. Yeah. These are our paying members. So we really appreciate you guys. Yine license asiphuye lapha sizorekhoda ingasakeli bebaningi njalo.
Yes, most incane zinazo ngikhumbula i-tweet leni ukuthi nicknames from Zim, like if you're Brian they call you Brasto,
Para.
Mqhele Presto.
Yeah, very store very. I don't know why is ngathi Jesto.
I'm very already maneng.
Melissa,
Janara, Jaza, JJ.
Mjeje bengalazi.
Yeah, I'm just a posa kwa 30 off ramp, but yeah.
Yeah, eh.
Uposa konakala.
Yeah, Jasmine, there's so many.
Ngoposa konakala. And yeah, bese ngikhohliwe. Kumele sicele futhi abantu ba donate ama pets. Bese sibalile imates zangikhona sangani.
Yes.
So initiative lokho iqhubeka abafuna ukudonate ama pets. Nxa ukubulawayo, you can buy them and drop off at Zulu Fashion House, shop number 10, eh?
Shop number 10, first floor. Is it shop number 10? I think it is.
Timanga, I'm off over.
Eh?
Emphasis on the
Hello, ground floor, Velesti.
Island.
First floor.
Anyway, we're coming to you live.
Coming into live from Zulu Fashion House.
Boy.
Kule fashion yonke la. Fashion yonke libe lithenga liqoke.
Kule inyezwakayo futhi.
Xa ungelamali yokuthenga ufuna ubona impahla thutsha lamaphezi uchilo
Thutshe lamaphezi ulahlise la ungaphonga ubuyizobona kuphela impahla lapho ungazange wathenga
amaphezi
azothenga amaphezi awafuna ukuthenga or
for amaphezi mina I was shocked yabona nje ukubona khona ukuthi this is really a boys show because esakukhuluma first episode kuya ku-embarrassing
even lokuthi
we didn't know what we were doing
lokupost imates zona leziyana zokuthi kusetshenziswa 12 ngeday
Tina, I remember our initial idea was if we donate ama-pets 100 sasibona
episode 100 episode
like we thought maybe
100 pets
siyadonate abantwana abayi-100 cabanga ukuthi drive secholotsho siyanika abantu ama-pets sasingakwazi
What plate is that, Kabel? One.
bro we didn't know we don't know
sasimephe nxa
so this has been an educational journey for us
Sishuba esiyi-1 now kodwa la you can keep
oh
ama-trace now.
njengesitshubo
yazi lo mnye umuntu wantshela wathi kuthiwa
Keep
inkazana kubeni ukuthi i-age yayo kezibunu nxa engani ungawabona-90 kusemuva kade nxa wachuba siyabe singathi imnyama isibunu isibunu ungasibona siyibomvu ngesephampa so isithi mna nganisehlisa lapha ngithi ngathi njala litha
ugugile wena kunominyaka yakho
goes
yamaqini
both ways by the way.
it's fine athi
why vele zimnyama vele
izibunu seyijota
Nezama zikomnyama eh?
Ah.
Let's bona.
hayi ngiyayidona green what just happens
Ngoza liyalani.
Kasi liyalani.
Do you know what they make you look like?
bro uzokubalani
but yabo
I'm not reacting, bro. I'm not reacting because ngeke ngifaka izibunu
You're
zikaThembi.
fucking idiots. Wena
not
wena
that way
Bro, very basis wakani vera ngapha. Awubamba thina.
njengawe wena. Asibeli ikhaya.
Ngiyazela umngane wami.
anyways abafuna ukudonate ama-pets bangadinga umthokozisi kunamba lezi plus 263 7852 39734 sizazifaka lapha kuscreen ukuthi abafuna ukumdinga ba-donate and shout out to Thandekile Maqina uThandekile wabona ukuthi kule initiative sasiyenza la wayesenza the same thing kwasokusala like ama-pets usilethele i-box I think ambalanga ukuthi mangaki but maningi i-box sibile
Really cool.
elikhulu le le plastic bag. So
Thank
shout
you
out
very
to
much. Oh, that's nice of her.
Tandegile Maqina.
Once again, for transparency's sake, we encourage everyone to buy pads and come drop them off or find a way. Lingasiqhubeli imali esandleni.
Yeah, but I think okunye futhi now that into yakhona ngathi si gain okuyi momentum, so abantu sebefuna ukuba kwazi ukuthi siwasa nga.
Embunjini.
guys. Yeah.
This guy never sees.
Akulando sikhathana.
Did you say that?
Siza lokhuza.
Nabana ngizivuzile
Do you have ingento
Uyabona
ekhulumile?
ndoda ukuthi John City has fucked up unjani.
Sizawale lokhuzela.
Do you have ingento ekhulumile?
Lalela nini? Ukuzama ukuvala inyala eliqeda kwenzakala la. So kule NGO okumele sibe le meeting la bese ngakhuluma ibizo para sikabe setheni ukuthi sizasebenza la wena. Mele sibe le meeting labo basitshele basidirect ukuthi yiwapha ama areas are affected because yiba bale information yakhona. Ngathi akumake sense ukuthi sithi seswadonatile so swahambise convent.
So they know I'm affected areas.
Like secheli pets
Can't you think it?
like yabo
Ule ex yafunda kona? Ule ex.
Nah, like siyakwanisina sesinike abantu abangadinyiwe. I think that's
Yeah.
what.
abantu abalamasetsheli amakhulu ba right.
Balama
Into enzamukicha.
Hayi labantu bekhuluma okunye lapha nomgcini mangikwazi ukukhuluma.
Into enzamukicha. So like kumele sidinge like area affected like
where this is going to make a difference.
Lithi la
Ukuthi
lisenzani?
singaphendwa sithi episode 150 sesihambisa amanye futhi.
sesingahambisa amarolon anti Jane wathi sihambisa amarolon.
uJane wathi le initiative uvukamisa amarolon ku6 staff.
Hawu wena zangathi wow wabafana.
Uthenza boWindy wena.
But bayala yini?
But bengayala yini singathutsha lawo.
Hamba lezama bangani bami. Mina ngizawathenga lezama. Libuye lintshela.
Mina ngibona ngani siyazama to.
Drive nje.
Yazi
Angizanqambi ukuthi.
Roll-on drive
Ulamanga wathi
episode 200.
Anguwe.
namhla mbonisele lo Bhengula Street ndoda.
Aya.
Mbonisela kwakani kuba le tsutsuru but bangimangaza wathi bekhuluma ishona so I couldn't pick a side. Anobroba uyu ngathi hawu khathi uzotshontshelana lapha mathenzi.
Hey, ezababili azingena.
You know that is our video.
Ezababili azingena.
Okay, now say it, dog.
Yeah. So ikhono kade mele ngikwenze ezama announcement before siqalisa umsangano wethu. And before siqalisa umsangano RIP Garry Mapanzura. Ukhona demazi la?
He was my cousin, eh?
Oh.
Yeah.
Jane. Hi.
Cousin, guys, no man serious.
Jane.
Asikhulumeni into esiqedwe singahlekanga.
Jane. Hi, Jane la.
Are you really related to him?
Oh
In
yeah.
my head, yeah?
Utheni?
In my head.
Yeah, new Jane. But kula manye ama tweet are interesting engabonayo. Ngicomba lela ama emfuna silokhu
Guys, mele chai imali sifundise nomgcini ukubala.
Yeah.
Spile.
angikwanisi kuba.
Mina ngamkhanda first time ezembalisa something ngabe ngithole linye ibala lesikhiwe lingaka. Ngayibona ukuthi
Angikwanisi
boys
kuba.
yefusi.
Selifuna kumveza.
Once again, indaba ka Garry Mapanzura, he was I also didn't know his age. I think he was 25.
Yeah, he was a musician.
He was a musician, I think R&B artist, yeah. And he was doing well, and then I think he was involved in an accident.
Yeah.
And then they couldn't get him attended to, and they couldn't also get him to Harare in time. And then he ended up succumbing to his injuries. So
After 10 hours.
Oh,
Yeah.
is that long? I
Didn't
know
know
it was that
10
long.
hours. What 10 hours? Please confirm. bro.
Yeah, 10,
So
10,
first
12.
of all,
Look at what 10,
condolences to family, friends, and fans and everyone. It's always a shit topic when someone who has a lot of potential passes away before their time.
Yeah.
So there was a tweet la.
Got shut down.
Okay, I guess also maybe to give you tweet context. What also happened was a lot of people, obviously, you know what happens when someone who's popular passes away. Abantu sebe Twitter, sebe send ama condolences abo landline. And then there are some people asebe ngani ba cloud chase of some sort.
Yeah.
Yeah,
My
it's-
condolences angikhona ngathi cloud man.
You know, this was what I think this guy was talking about. What he
Sake salwa sibili lo munye I think it's salwa futhi ya.
iyabuya. Iyabuya. The pressure you guys have to post about celebrities' deaths, if only you did the same on their projects. On their pages, they will post their projects, be it albums, shows, tours, interviews, movies, etc., they get few to no comments. But the day he or she dies, you all flock to their pages with your sympathies as if they will see them. The only things you're enthusiastic to share besides their death are their scandals.
Yeah.
Give them their flowers while they're still alive. A congratulations means more than a rest in peace. When a person arranging an artist, I will say this is the playing field, really. Abantu cheki awusithi abantu abayilalela music yakho. Banjwa. Utho ubhinyile. Hey, what the fuck, bro?
Yeah. Thoughts?
Well, acheni wena ucabanga.
I just think that tweet is absolute bullshit. Besides the fact that I don't like his views on most of the things. First of all, there's a saying that goes, you don't know what you have until it's gone. It's in human nature. Even his normal-
example, I
mean, even his global Zako, even your friends. Let's say when I'm cleaning, you relocate, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't miss me because you're seeing me every day. You don't give a fuck. As soon as you're far, you start reminiscing memories and what. So I really think it's bullshit for people to try and gatekeep your...
They're gay peanuts. Hey, there's something there, boy.
I said...
Been waiting for this for 5 episodes.
Why are you gay?
I really think it's real ghetto for people to try and gatekeep mourning. Because people... I don't know why people want everybody to be the same. Because the way I mourn, maybe Mina give me it's posting pictures.
The way you mourn.
I said mourn, not moan. Mourn.
Okay.
Maybe someone music as post or is a post. Okay, what must screenshot fine. Sometimes go.
As long as it's Gumelana.
No. To a certain extent. Okay, fine. But then I mean, the way people think, hey, who gets clout from death? It doesn't even stick. What clout? No, but what clout does he get from death? He already has clout. He is clout. So what clout does he gain from someone who's not even breathing anymore?
He clearly did get, because he wanted to show to us this guy thought I was
No, they hate him.
It's not necessary.
His behavior is see me. You know what I'm saying? So calm down, bro.
What are your thoughts on Shatta?
Yeah, especially lapha Zimbabwe. Where's Yindawo apply? But lapha Zimbabwe, I think artists they really need those props because lapha Jane Ohlabela. To be honest, abantu bayangeka lot bekufika kwama spaces bethi bahlabela. But people actually listen and take their things serious.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we support. Of course, maybe Malaiko, but fans, guys.
Do you guys follow those?
Listen.
Do you guys give people their flowers when they're alive all the time?
We do, especially on this podcast, bro.
Actually,
always talk about people.
Flowers.
Gilmore last week. Before that, I'm sure.
Relax.
We always give people their flowers on the show. Mina, I want to agree with both of you. I want to say, actually, you are right. It's in human nature to take each other for granted. CJ, we probably also don't check up on each other as often. But and
flowers are for dead people anyway.
That's how it is. But I will say, I also agree with Ura Fuguti, but especially in our environment, artists really need a lot of support. Maybe don't give me my flowers. I mean, come on, dog. You've had a your career is like dizzying heights, but ngapa.
All right. Yeah, my thoughts on this one. All right. I mean, look, at the risk of agreeing with Shataya, I will say that.
Disclaimer.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
I will say that I agreed with him to a certain extent, but to a large extent, I do agree with what Jane said. Right. When as a person that's mourning for someone, right, only you know what your intentions are. So, yo, get your minds out of the gutter, guys. Yo, fucking hell.
I've never creative.
Morning, yeah.
yazi mina ngizathini
Yeah. So if you're mourning the death of someone, right? Uthatha a screenshot of a chat that you guys had or something and then posting it on your status, whatever, right? Only you know your intention, with that. There are some people that genuinely, for example, let's say, God forbid, let's say someone like A$AP were to pass away today, right? We know, like each of us here knows personally whatever relationship you had with this guy. For example, I know that on my birthday on the 15th of September this year, A$AP, I wasn't in the country at the time. He's the first person that called me. Kufona nge-airtime Zibilani. Esithi yo my
Jolly birthday.
and yabona umgcina bakwazi.
Really has
You know what I
Yes,
mean?
man.
Sorry.
You know what I mean? So anyway, the example that I'm making.
Sorry.
Kumele senze kwama-restaurant kanti nxa ibirthday yomuntu iyagidelo.
Right. Order.
But it's an example, right?
Yeah.
And then wena watshona umqala nje ku-A$AP sithi hayi imimbalelo ihamba ngenyawo lana and you want to be the same person that's then like when he passes away. No, it's an example.
Yemboro. Bana balingethithe wathethecela.
I said it. No. Anyway, right? So what I'm saying is that each and every single person that posted something about death guy Garry, only them and God know like the intention behind it. Exactly. We can say that these guys were cloud chasing, right? So, but when they were genuine, and some of the genuine ones, you might find that in reality they were the cloud chasing ones. You know
maybe, but you're taking in context.
But unfortunately, what Jane says is then what supersedes everything else. We cannot be the people that prescribe how. Exactly.
Can I say this? Can I say this?
Yeah.
I kind of 20% agree with you on not gatekeeping how people mourn, because once again, human behavior is a social contract. We agree. So it's unwritten rules, doc. We have rules on how we. But you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? So we have parameters of what is acceptable human behavior. Are we not gatekeeping? You see what I'm saying? So in as much as fine, let's not gatekeep our people.
Any morning yakho la lokuphambana mbichana kumele sikuzane.
You consider kule any morning majenzo ukuthi siyavuma ukuthi laba mdala so outside from
I
parameters.
think an into ama-charts. Mina ngingumuntu othandayo ukuposta ama-charts like especially abantu bephila. Even though Jane la into ayenzayo. Yabo, so you'd expect ukuthi if omunye wethu maybe ngacha phansi into enzayenza yabo because vile into engijayileyo. Then bese kusiba la labanye abanye abantu bro ukuthi
vele sasingakwazi ukuthi liyazana.
Yabona ukuthi that time boy responded to his status. Waphonga uresponda ngathi lol. Then se posta umgcini bakithi.
Umgcini ngakhabi kokoko laphana sokuphotsile ukuze ni chat yena.
Yabo sebelokuze Takwini sebeqalisa ukupost i-podcast. Asebenziseni i-podcast as an example. Besiphila isikhathi sonke lesi bro. Akolamntu ade iposta yabo. Not ukuthi sibamba abantu ngenkani ukuthi nxasuwela hamba le poster ngenkani. Bakhona abantu ade beyiposta but then sesifile. Yabo then umuntu se decide ukuthi sengikhona iposter karesi. Look yana yikho imbone ngani kulobu cloud lo.
All right. On
In
that
the
note,
gatekeep support that.
no. All right.
How far?
On that note, and I get Mgcini's point, and then I also okay. See, I get Mgcini's point, and I also agree with Vuyi. Well, now what I've noticed, especially with black people, and we like to follow a crowd, and cool. So, for instance, let me give an example. Especially when someone passes away, like let's say, if Messi passes away today, many people will post him Uma status, and when I don't get bothered, I was upon post to Messi because what you saw someone posting Messi. So it's like I also understand the human nature part of which if someone passes away, you have to like say R.I.P. Garry, even if I'm not in the music. But then sometimes with black people, you feel there's like that element.
What do you with people, dog?
Or with people,
yeah.
And
there's that element of
Antuphila lathi yini.
hey,
Ikwenzile.
there's that element of feeling left out. Like you wanna be part of a crowd. Like what Vuyi said, whether my intentions are genuine or not genuine.
Ngozwa ngoyilo Jesu.
So now it's up to them. But usually, if something is trending and everyone is already posting, like I can give you an example. Bogle hailstorm that happened during the weekend.
Yeah.
Ekuseni wonke umuntu bepost i-ice. Thola ukuthi abanye vele abayibona i-ice yankhona. But abanye bepost ukuthi i-ice. Yabo. So,
Mina,
yeah.
I think, I'll say it again. Sometimes when you get into some of these businesses, you must understand really things like this come with the territory. If you're going to be a celebrated individual, it means some of the things you do or that happen in your life become newsworthy, and you should. I don't think you have the right to pick and choose which ones people get to go with. And I'll even give an example. Tina Sinje. Sesake sakhuluma ngoGarry on this podcast. Sesake sayiposti music yakhe.
Nah.
Here we are talking about him. So does that mean are we trying to write off his name? But it's a notable event that happened this week. We discussed notable events that happened. So some of these things, it's just how the territory is, dog. If you're a celebrated person, people know you. There will some highlights. Siyakhuluma ngawo. Akusoqala.
All right. Post my chats.
But however, on that note, right, I would also like to say that death is a very negative thing. It's not like if you hear that someone has died, even if it's someone that you vaguely knew, it's unfortunate because you're like thinking, well, I mean, it could have been me.
Especially if it's someone young.
Exactly, especially if it's a young person. So labo, I can't. Bro. Even if it was an interaction, like one interaction that they had with him or whatever, like I can't fault that because
But
death is.
Umudiwa.
No, Umdiwa, his crimes are too many, bro. Umdiwa, his crimes are too many.
His crimes are too many.
Big loser in it. But anyway, bazomthinda screenshot
Kubele a tweet from Olinda. I have a very stupid question. I watched Garry's funeral, and am I the only one that noticed his colleagues in the industry were missing?
Kasi?
Kasi.
Not Kasi. I think it's Kasi.
Kasi. I mean, Kasi mu
music.
Asi.
I
think
Asi mu music.
I think I mean mu music industry hamu
Amuno bata.
bata maoko. Yeah, amuno bata.
Tina,
like
ungabhora uchuni podcast seyathusha ndoda.
All those pics you were posting with him, were they just for clout?
Yikhe ngutshoko abantu bagijimela ukuposta ama screenshot kulo tuhambe emfeni dog. Come on.
No announce ndoda ukuthi imfinga.
Hayi.
But surely you would know, bro.
Especially
Ungakwazi kuyafika ke.
And omunye umuntu uzoyenza example ukuthi uyiheels usuke eGoli, I'm sure he had to fly in. Imagine time and resources to come and see the guy. Then abantu baseharare abanye bangaphi.
Nemfeni yami ngicela ngapopotelani bangani bami. Iyazi lekhala lihambe.
Into yangikhona like isi shifter I tweet ka Shada ibingathi blame more abantu thini ipovo yabo.
Lesi ngiyama industry.
But lesi ngiyabantu abawu industry ngoba bona bodwa basupportayo.
Bangani bakhe.
Kulomunye futhi ocomplain leyo futhi.
Which was true because at that time I think omunye obanjwe tweet ka Olinda was Mudio. And then for you know how that guy always likes making he likes making statements unprovoked. He then went on his I think it was his Facebook page. He said, "No, at the time of this guy's funeral, I was burying my sister somewhere else."
Oh, I saw him say that.
You know, that kind of thing. And then I think a day or two later, he then went to the graveside, whatever. You know?
How?
Yeah, that's why he did his video a color. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, you tell those guys big loser energy.
But MJ said that he's gatekeeper party.
Recording yourself crying and pointing is wild.
There's a grown man.
Okay, so if you realize
No, bro, you should actually see that video, bro.
Designer wants
if you realize he wasn't recording, you recall.
You recall.
I can't
recalibrate.
No, the thing is that, like jokes aside, right? That video was too perfect. I feel like that guy and and then wabona ukuthi lapha ngikhala ngakuhle, mana ngikhale futhi. baphinda futhi
ube lama takes okukhala
video futhi guys engibonile e convoy like kade siye besithi abantu abahamba imota zonke lezi athi kulama brabus lan bahle ku raise 2.9k lana efuneka wazogcina sifa but sebe driver their nice cars
but I think onye sesinga blame abantu guys but at the end of the day
abantu manje umntu asiyakwazi ule mali to
no bro I feel like
wenganye
lalela at the end of the day abantu aba responsible for wena lendlela ophila ngayo outside music ifamily yakho bro like asiku establishing abantu
that is true
people within arms
especially in African society
the reality ekhona bro
yeah
akula muntu or anything
yeah
akula muntu or
I'm teaching.
Which is fine. Thina but not abantu abaku Instagram wena kade semfeni yakho sokuthutha umuntu ohamba ngehelicopter. So tho wengaphi lo Jane vakaza yaze ukukhulumeni.
Nyawaze vukhuluma ka.
Bro, what did you say?
Vekuza Jane.
No.
What's that?
Nah.
Yes.
Yabo so like I feel like blame abantu
Plus with social media mentality high horse. There is a lot of high roading each other because you see someone saying RIP, now you must show up on this high horse and say, yeah, all happy and all that. You say we are
we cannot change too much online. So you don't change too much.
But not to be a tribalist about it, right? Not to be no. It's a disclaimer, but I don't think it's. I don't think it's
this podcast.
No, but I don't think this is worth it. I'm trying to show you like a depiction of like how Tina go Bulawayo, how we mourn, and how I want to be simple malang zinjona. Tina safela listen safela ngu Calvin bro. No one did that cloud shit bro. Safela ngu Clive Chikupu.
Kelvin they did bro. When our brains started pitching in, sebe donator,
but I feel like it's different, man.
But remember, I actually sponsorship from our brains.
Yeah. But I do. I mean, it did benefit the family either way in the end, But I feel like it's a bit different.
But what we PR,
yeah. But still,
we are all talking about it.
Yeah,
be involved.
Anyway,
I
guess
fine.
so.
No, but now what's that take? Is that saying because angunika ngilift ngilanga ule mali yomchova ngingasakuningi idewu ngilanga? It's like, am I saying it's fine, you came at me with a proposal, I didn't like it, but now something shitty has happened, must I still not get involved?
Exactly. On the nah.
What are you saying, Doc?
Especially nxa ngakulande ngikucela imali umphela ngisemfile.
I'm helping the family out. So
the family out, bro.
So when I got to ngicela imali ngidla ngila lutho ngizokuthola umgcini seqhamukile somele esibhedlela. So ngigcine futhi imali yami.
Ngisaphila ku different.
A tragedy has happened. A tragedy has happened. I'm in a place to help. Well, I didn't help lapha usadagiwe usalama vibes. But something. Oh, so
bro.
I'm not personally ngibasole mina.
Gcina imali yakho.
Mina personally ngibasole.
Mina ngiyakupongela ngithatha imali yakho
like brands that let's say uKelvin abamsupportanga ephila, right? But then at the time of his death, they pitched in for the funeral. I think that's a good thing.
I think it's a good thing. It was an untimely death.
For me, it's not.
I'm not comparing
if our friends
the two
supporter, maybe Calvin would have been driving. Maybe that thing wouldn't have happened. See?
Sorry, Kelvin was driving.
Was he?
Yes. There's a time he won 14K.
Oh no! We mean at the time of the death.
At the time of the death,
yeah.
The good thing that he was a menace.
Yeah, he probably.
He
was a menace, bro. Why to get bored was why menace and a talent, so but the talent it was there.
Like Mfeni. I want to be a pillar, bro.
I'm not getting. I want to say okay, checking a relationship like context here. Abantu abanceda. Abantu njengo mudiwe asibafuni. Mina umudiwe engabuye Mfeni yami.
I don't know why.
It's a distance.
It's just misunderstood.
Speech Mfeni yami.
Nang
Abraham. But I think it's no bills in something.
Come again.
Vele ngasicelile izinkwazeni la yalo podcast. Ingalethi izinkwazeni zekhama abantu emfeni. Don't bring your shit.
Sicela merch sifuna
But
ukugqoka
then,
podcast
like,
besicisha.
ngikubuze something.
Sufile. Yabona. Hey, mfowethu ngakhuluma ibrand yakho.
But like,
Hey,
Ntombuzo,
drama la.
why is it that in the black community,
Yeah.
like this society it is here, why is it so hard ukutshela umuntu ukuthi uyamthanda or ngathi ku awkward? Even labazali manje, ngicabanga like mbano ligcineni ukutshela abazali benu ukuthi labathanda.
Hey, mina lami hayi.
Mina mazala ngaza ngamtshela to.
Last time you told me for sec. Nobody always tells me. I don't think I tell them. They just say usufunani.
Mina ngitshelwa ngantravela. Kwaba nje sekhanya ngathiwa la sebhasini. Then he takes
Never
me.
tried.
Safe journey son, love you.
Mbani? Why is it like that?
But that doesn't mean black people don't express love. We have our ways of expressing love. For example, I want to ulamanzi. Yebo izakwani imali yakho. Nguye I love you.
Nguye I love you. Udlile.
Udlile.
Those kind of
Izakwani
things.
imali yakho. Already ufika ubona.
Hey, yebo.
Ugodoni.
Hey, 20 years.
But Lena, don't you think abantu bafuna ukuzwa like
I
batshele
feel like,
Hey, umasale
I feel
kufrayela
like
tu.
the people who
ni mic?
No, Nancy Mike.
I feel like the people who say it the most, they abuse that word. They actually don't mean it. But what you just turned an eye for real.
Ujeni ngamtshela that thing athi.
Unjelani wena?
Uzibulala.
When I'm cleaning, okay.
Khulu.
Uthini? Usithini?
Mina sithi thina abamnyama vele but asilandaba lakho.
Avela
As long
sonto.
as
Bara
we
silandaba
see-
lakho yini guys? Lina lifuna ukutshela ukuthi I love you.
Mina,
Hayi, yena akasitshele, wena sitshele mawufuna sitsho njalo. Sizatsho njalo.
No, mina ngizalitshela I love you.
Mina Wasixoxa ku podcast. Mina I personally think
But yala intona le
Bephe ncenga ngasithi ngamawoveta le trauma yokudutshukela ngamabhomba.
intona le
Oh, I love you, uya kwethusi.
ezimembeni zami yazi unga especially ama gents ungathi I love you bro. Yes and the image ka Chomlana ka why are you lokho
why?
Like I feel like
Alright guys, asitshela
really
nini?
made it.
Kamela ukhangela
awukhangela eceleni
man, I feel like I love you sesam associated lo cansi too much.
Oh yeah.
Ngingathi I love you sibone yani mfuna ukubhebha.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
Beba,
Nota, I
Lola,
love you, bro.
baby. Okay, can you
Nota, right?
wait? Can we do it now? Can you look Kamelo in the eyes and tell
Hayi,
me?
kanti kuyayikuyitha my example.
Lalela. Mina vele into
This is
nje.
yana.
You see?
Man. That is into ezithi ngizayenza. Like ngiza appreciate each and every one of you la. Like ngitshela abantu ukuthi like umsebenzi eliwenzayo ku podcast.
Uyancomeka.
Like uyancomeka. Ngawona ngiqale ngoba.
Hayi, mina ngifuna sitshela neni 1 for 3.
Lalela.
Hayi, I think lokho akwenzayo kungcono to just say dog I appreciate.
I love you.
Hayi, azidog asungayisuke kube wathi nguye I love you amajija.
Go for 5 minutes elithandana.
Hey, sesithandana. Qale ngoba.
Ayisuke.
Qala ngovuyi.
No, this is just gay, bro. No, don't do that, bro.
Relax.
Relax.
Say pro love.
dog.
No,
I know you're rocking.
But
I know you're rocking booty shorts. And shit, buddy.
Ngoba le dunu umuntu
Nah,
relax. Sizachubela baba ubona. Shamthena.
and I'm gonna ask them. You know, I'm gonna do that now, bro. Like, yeah.
that was fucked up.
Ungawisa
You're
malai.
setting yourself up. Like.
Ungawisa malai. Biya nga.
We are
Say
saying
inside view.
What I'm saying is, this is what a Nguni man looks
Say
like, bro.
inside view. Inside view.
Khanyela.
Say inside view.
Ibefuna lihleke, ibefuna lihleke.
Ngabe.
inkabe epakileyo.
Bayibona vinkabe phakile.
Inkabe epakile.
Bakhona uBig Zulu mdala.
Nabazi lidunisa uvuyi podcast. I think we've gone completely off the rails.
Lithe ngikale ngovuyi.
Yeah.
Uvuyi I think is the reason why ngaqalisa podcast.
Oh, okay.
Angikwanisi kukhela abantu like kumele ngikhangele futhi lapha because I want like yabo uvuyi nguye owangenza ngaqalisa podcast. I remember first podcast interview engayihambayo ngayihamba because of
Vuyi.
ngamtshela futhi ukuthi bro into leyo yenza le ngathi cool ubone ngani ngingayenza yini ingaba sharp kwathi hayi it's fine
Dabula ingwanda.
so kare sengichaya i-podcast kare because of yena so ngiyam appreciate kungayisuyi i-podcast
So
le
creative.
ngayikho
And he's still around also.
yeah and futhi uzibona ukuthi umuntu ongona i-inspiration ivele kuyani la ise part of i-podcast yakhona futhi I feel like sokuyi 360 what
Hey, bruh, like who 300? Hey, oh, bro.
Uzo waqambisa amasiki amathathu. Amasiki umfana.
so kulokuyi 360 moment yabo okay so
Yeah, life comes full circle sometimes.
ngiyaku appreciate bro for that
Faka lana phela team fam.
Iphe koya
Ngishaye le.
yeah
Very
ba
good.
nomoya
Imjela bahle sikhambe.
Vuyi and others.
no I feel like MJ nguyesa esaqasa sonke podcast I remember saba le conversation I think 2 hours sasikhuluma non stop sasiqasa ukuhlangana like siqasa ukuhlangana in person
Yebo.
saxoxa for 2 hours sasisilokho sixoxa lapha ngabe njani sithi ekhanda ngani sithi ya lokho yikho kuhlanya lokho like yeah Jane saxoxa 2 hours from there saqalisa ukwenza i-podcast and I feel like uJane kucrula uJane I think ngiyo iliqanda le podcast so ngakhanya uyakhuluma yena obvious like ulawula kakhulu
Yeah.
but I feel like
Ngabe ngathi tough guy.
yeah tough guy
Ungachesa uqala ukuthi tough guy.
vele nxa engakhuluma lawa athi tough guy but I feel like ngiqanda le podcast so
Yeah.
kuma comments lapha mali nxa lilokhuza li comment limthethisa
Vele
siyakhala vele khona pha so but I feel like yeah uJane has been there from day one angazi outside the podcast vele kuningi I feel like engekho maybe ngam
Wasibulala.
Zwana
King
wena.
suicide.
igenge yesizide yabo so yeah yakwazi ukuthi ngiyam appreciate her like
Oh,
yeah
you guys, I want to cry.
who's
Yeah,
next
don't
Mayibong?
cry.
I feel like konke umuntu oku podcast le wabuye ngafuni wayengakwazi ukuthi ule potential yokwenza khona okwenza la Mayibong wayesenza i-sound yenye biggest company koBulawayo sikho sound culture obviously
That's what she is.
sound culture besinika ama mic ama first episode noma besinga connect
Babelinike lithi
but
babe kwasala
wabambi kono kanti siwabambi
Xoxa solo Jade.
uJane akhuluma mic Jane akhuluma mic so Mayibong yabe khona emtshela hayi Jane at least fake la yebo so I feel like Mayibong has been our sound guy from i-podcast leyiqala usincedile ukuhlanganisa i-equipment yona lesesilayo ke samanye ama recommendations avele kuye
Vele nokwazini ngeza.
kanye ngakwazi lutho mina bro nawa even lokukhuluma khonoko
Ufana ufuna home theater vele.
ngamfuni mini lokuze ngamfuni home theater so Mayibong has been there since day one sound guy nguyi sound guy podcast before Skacha Mayelo born and we appreciate you for that
Vele kuthiwa abadoda kabanemali.
yabo
They rise up in complexion. Kodwa uMayibong wesemnyama kakhulu kwe podcast. Bakhe uTumelo.
kasuke Ralph I feel like i-relationship yami lo Ralph even outside the podcast
Yeah,
i-relationship
doc. Come on.
relationship kanti wani i-relationship umdavazo vele
Ubudlelwano.
ubudlelwano sobuwesi
Ibale lenza ilisi debate so.
ubudlelwano
Ufana balo ubudlelwano la.
ubudlelwano bami lo Ralph I think buyaphuma ivinda ku podcast sesincedane like entweni eziningi I remember sesiqalisa ukushoot ama episode la koBulawayo besingala transport besebenzisa imoto ka Ralph ukuthwala wonke umuntu la and kungakuthiwa sesirecord i-podcast wonke umuntu akabuyanga la umuntu engeke ngikwazi ukuthi siyaficana la uRalph and i-video podcasting esithathe i-video podcast abakade bengakwazi sithatha ngento zakhe yabo so i-relationship yami la podcast, even outside the podcast, I think really ilobu bhuti phakathi. Yabo ilobu bhuti ilobu ngane, and for that appreciate you, my dog.
Jake, this is Jake. You
Loud
should have
it,
given,
loud it,
you should
loud
have
it.
given
Like,
us the prep. What there's gonna be like some somber, it's like some.
I'm funi kuli
some
like I'm
pony
funi
and
kaya
shit.
nganti.
Yeah, let me use nice words.
Ngizibulala after this. Yabo. Mfuna kube normal ukuthi
Yeah,
ngitshela
check
abantu
Never
leyo.
try my favorite
Yeah,
album.
yabo. But khona kungaba dope episode le ngathola ama views amaningi.
For sec.
For the love of the podcast, bro. Give us those views, bro.
Mina ngiyafisa ukubhaca ugcine zami uzibulala into engiyamsaya ngayo.
And vele siyahle uyaqala sikunatha sikakubamba dog.
Utumelo sachintshi indawo lapho esasirecorda khona i-podcast. Sananzelela ukuthi bese sidubekile mbijana eZimbabwe. Sase sitshintshi indawo sarelocate. Utumelo kana vele ngikwazela ngaphi dog? No, wayesebenza lo Mayibongwe. Mayibongwe like sound guy. Yabo, so ngamtip ukuthi Jay ngiseduzane ndangini lapha eMakharadini. So awufa watwitcha upodcast le mic yakhe yi-1. I think i-first episode iko lapha wathi khona ngathi amajita sikomora akhanya ngezandla ezimhlophe. From there Tumelo ebekhona ku-podcast. Actually I think Tumelo ngiyosuffer the most ku-podcast le because yeah unota because i-episode yonke uyabefaka ama-headphones so uyabelalele yonke into esiyikhulumayo
Balance Kbrizzy.
ama-pets
Balance
balance making sure ukuthi sound i-sharp. And I think into ngi-appreciate ngani lonke la ukuthi lizibuyela ngezimali zenu. Like angazi ukuthi into le nanzelela ukuthi inkulu onganani ukuthi abantu babone ngani maybe nxa siyathola imali la asitholi imali la abantu babuya ngezimali zabo. So
Mama ngambuza ethi uhlala sithi podcast imali.
ukhona nini? Yo like
Yala umasalo ngathi ngithola comment. Kule mali yini khona lo? Bayisande nto.
yabo like abantu
Cloud mzali, cloud.
yabo so like
For the streets.
Amagwidi sesireputation etown.
yabo garezi uTumelo siphuza ukurecord i-podcast besimelele yena ugade ngemali yakhe. Yabo and nxa siqeda futhi lapha i-podcast akulo suke sithi
driver phela ungamkhopload.
yani ifile phela imoto yakhe ukuservice. Yeah. Yabo. So for that we appreciate you bro for coming and listening to our kak 1 hour. 1 hour 6 minutes. Ukabelo. Switch. Sure. Asiqhubeni. Yazelela. Kbrizzy came at a time in podcast le. I think bese sibona ukuthi ya ibisiza. Yavele yathatha sharp cam. Ama-episode ade sengiwayenza bese ngisenza lo Tumelo. Utumelo ebele laptop yakhe esayidini ye-sound. Amengile laptop ye-prep. Sizixoxela nje. Faka imboni yakho Tumelo songama-vibes. Ngaze ngadinga Kbrizzy ngathi bro lapha sokuyilahla la. Isenze njani? Asenze phela i-interview. I think waye good mood nge-weekend yangu.
Ngaqala ngajumpisa ngombe 2 aba weekends
Elokhe sala then waseThumeli Taiwan location. Na bro useduzane bena. Salokhuza like safika lapana waze ngimcina wayengani wayengusilinda but lapha nosunonile lapha. Senonile safika sa record interview which was a good interview by the way. And from there fakele message bro like we can do this again and we're here. I feel like ubele element angithi ukuthi lidali bangani mama.
MJ uzwile.
Angithi ukuthi lidali but abantu ababukela i-podcast le can fakazela me ukuthi ubele element ye-intelligence. Yeah.
Mina ngiyavuma. It's one of the most Mina I'll give you your flowers. You're one of the most intelligent people I've met.
Yes. Actually, you're not even intelligent.
A lot of people say
he's
that.
A thinker.
If you check the comments, they'll be like,
knowledge,
the way
like-
Kabelo thinks, it's true.
Pleasing umuntu othi I think 2 days back
Fuck you, man.
Like 2 days back, besise kule indawo ade sikiyo so. Ngimkhangele bro. Ebexoxela mini istory. But wonke umuntu ade seromini uchiye kwangade kwenza. Waqasa ukulalela so. Wathi kathi bro meleni. Wathi hayi ngilalela istory osikhulumayo. Yabo
so ngehwatsha amanye amabala so ngithule ngingafuni ubamba imic.
Yabo so
left
for that so like, me I appreciate you a lot. I think you know that
ukhuluma ngalokhu kwabanye ukuthi begeyimi phe.
Oh lalela. Andi sichona sonke wena. Kumele sibatshele ukuthi ngiyakubambisa once.
Flash killer flash Kbrizzy.
Yeah, flash.
Inkabe flash.
But outside the podcast, siyawazi ukuthi ngumrapper like ngumrapper make sense mina ngimaziyo kobulawa. I'm not saying abanye abali make sense.
Rapist omkhulu sibili kwaba rapist onke.
Yabona talented.
Go check, go ping. Something your boyfriend can barely afford. Asiphumi.
Hayi yazi wena lo nyoko lingamalema ngo2. Maybe ngomunye umnyaka. Yabo.
Wena futhi sahlangana fani yokumuntu izathi sihlangana ngangile photo shoot wenu.
Ngambamba ama light.
Hey, yayingonjwathi dog.
La kare izinto ke nginguwe but it's fine. Ngambamba ama light we lokuzeni like.
Photo shoot kuthi point i rockstar aba. I rockstar ithi ngabe uyiwona hayi but intwana leyilambile ngathi
like ngile member yami
ngofotograph. Ngikela khona the cashmere item.
Yeah, I was during that time.
So ngoba mbile lapha.
Ama photo.
Na nguthe mama la.
No, art gallery. Ophambi art gallery kumbe la Photoshop.
Wayikhwapha.
Kulamanye esashoot emkotweni lwana oseceleni kwe.
Lapha nokupaka khona imoto zamalo kuzinini.
Zama sitheni.
Zama workmates kaMayibong.
La kompa.
Ama sitheni ngumbe ama workmates kaMayibong.
Ama workmates.
Or is both.
Isuza zikhethela wena. Khopha.
But I think into futhi mina for me mbonani yakwenza kwaba easier to do this podcast because we'd been friends for years. Because when I discovered that whole time sasixoxe phone. I think I have a video unsendela message happy birthday I think 2019 or something.
Oh yeah.
Ulo Romeo. So ngase ngukhala konke I was like,
oh Romeo.
Yeah, Romeo.
Uyelo bone.
So yeah, abantu futhi abakuma comments adiwe ngawazi like ama listeners nama viewers ukuthi impact elila inganani. And I feel like bakhona maybe abanye abantu abafuna ukukhuluma balitshele. This is the time now. Thathi ifoni grab your phone ubhale message lapha utshela abantu labo ukuthi ba amazing onganani because wasebenzisa izimali zabo ukuthi babuye bazorecorda la.
For how many weeks, bro?
Bro.
When njenga usuku 90 something weeks of keeping money for what? For occasional sex.
Guys, can't see
audience. But yeah,
occasional sex.
So yeah,
sibonela ngepins umfa.
We Heinz. Badala ngeku.
Ama episode kuyini body count.
Idi.
Ama episode number body count.
That's good.
90 what?
94
with every episode.
Awula
Stifler wena manzi. Stifler.
No.
Ngoni uMJ Mike. MJ uthi akula umuntu osokwalala abantu ba 94.
Akula.
Okay.
Unguwe?
Yini
manje mba?
Hayi, nabazi abantu abanjani.
Wawubala wakhona?
But umuntu wakhona maybe.
Akula guys, akula umzimbo oyi1.
Dog.
Amapipa u94.
Nothing ngimi. Hayi ngale kathi uthi.
Nomemba phela yabe hambe. Kathi
nakhulumela amajita
sikubali.
Mhlabe emuva.
Hayi, kathi
this is taken very.
Sorry, nguyabe hlaba.
No, like Jane lo member la ngahlaba ibody count.
Abafana bale body count. How? I didn't know, hey. I thought you guys would just smash and go. You guys would get a pass for everything.
No.
I mean, yeah, but that is
literally. When are you going?
Yes.
Vele was off to a rocky start.
Before we go, khona sikuwabona indaba ka Jada Will Smith. Benda kembona like that is making rounds in the social media.
Bro. For me, I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I've got one question, bro. Like, who keeps interviewing this woman, bro?
Who is asking this woman for
like,
hot
who's
takes?
asking this woman questions, bro?
But if you watched like a full interview, yeah, K1.
maybe
No, you guys have been seeing snippets.
I see snippets, bro. I can't stomach that shit.
Hey, but
bro.
they look bad, bro. Those snippets all look bad.
Yeah.
You guys, you don't know the shit Will was doing to that girl.
No, the thing is,
He
you
did
guys,
a lot.
One
Alright.
at a time.
Besides
Will
that,
Smith no
and-
chata.
hey,
This chill.
besides that, what people don't notice is that she's promoting a book, like, so obviously.
At what cost, bro?
Hey,
At what cost?
Promotion is promotion, whether good or bad. publicity.
This is a promote the podcast.
Because now people are going to go read that book and to find out information about. Because Wilson, she's talking about Tupac and
Sorry, Jay. What's this step you
as
You were saying.
she's talking about Tupac. Tupac at this was trending again for a case like who actually killed him and stuff like that. But what I'm saying is, and Gatesan, they're still promoting what a book like and everything.
There is no at any cost that you
Hey.
do.
In
Like
in
their family is
America,
clearly being rocked right
any
now.
publicity.
Uyabona abantwana
is
abafaka
money
them
to
njani?
them.
Ulwana ungumfana wanted to there was a time he wanted to cut his penis off. Do you guys know that story?
Yeah?
Yeah, he didn't want to be identified by any gender. He wanted to be identified as Jaden. So he wanted to go.
Wait, what drugs? Mina ngizokuthiwa uJada, I don't mean to be insensitive, but kuthiwa inywele zakhe, it's not like uyaziluza, but ucabanga ukhumbula umfana wakhe. Wantu umfana wayelempaba.
No, but yazina. Lalela. Mina ngiyabukela like him.
Oh, into yachayisa uChris Rock and leyanto ngoJeshua.
Mini interview.
Chris Rock bamshaya ngempama uJada wathi, I'm not the blind.
I'm not the blind.
Interview mina ngiyibonile eka Jada. Lo mchita la ni podcast liyana wellness something. Purpose something. Ngendlela akhulume ngaye yena lo Tupac bawe ngo best. Like ukhulume njalo like into ayikhulumileyo uthi yena lo Tupac bawe ngama best friends. Abazange ba ngoba le feeling lelane lokuthi ukhona osevuyelwa.
Tupac yama ndoda.
Ngilani ngiqede. Uthe yena uJada udade. Yena azange wafila like imizwa leyana efuna ukuthi uTupac atombe. Yebo? But then yena uTupac inkabi bro. Maybe nxa uTupac yena vele wayehlala esethi anoke nisikhothise lapho
Nani
Jada.
He
He was eating it up, bro.
Yebo? And it happened ukuthi uTupac ebehlala engathandi ama boyfriend wonke abuya lo Jada yabona engathi. But for the first time uJada uthe buye lo Will kazange waba le problem. Ngombe nxeme babona ukuthi hayi le ntwana le
Ilele.
Pare le ntwana.
Kule meme lene itrend ka Tupac ngelockdown uthi uyakhwehlela athi uyakhamba.
yakhohlelela yashabanzi yabo. So mina yindlela engiunderstand yakho i-relationship yakhe lo Tupac engenza ngicabangela ukuthi to some extent I feel like imedia ye-America kule narrative abazama ukuliphusha ngapho. That's why wena uzathola ama-snippets wona la abaningi sifike ku-conclusion
Ngama-snippets lama memes.
meme eswatholile. But i-context ephelele asiyithola.
Umdala umama lwana vele why is she even talking about those things? Because she knows what they insinuate.
Ubuziwe.
And she knows what people are going to take that story and run.
uJada engathi ufuna ukubuya ku-ByoPodcast ingxoxo 99 siyayala.
Thina silamali vele siyamletha. Thina silamali. Kodwa yena esuka sithi hu.
Amasimba.
Ilema lomfazi le.
Vuyi, you wanted to say something?
Yeah. This whole thing just shows me the power of silence. One person that's goated in Zimbabwe, for his silence in the face of controversy is Mgcini. And as far as I'm concerned in this matter, Will Smith has been silent. Right? He hasn't said anything, he hasn't issued any statement, he has not confirmed or denied or addressed any of these issues, right? And it shows me Uti, as long as he's silent, bro, people are gonna take his side, bro. People are now just bashing her based on snippets, bro. You know what I'm saying? A classic example. You know what I mean? So I feel like, not as a man, but as a person, and I feel like when you're faced in with issues such as these, right, with like trying times that people are judging your situation or the person that you're with, silence is a very big asset. You know, another thing based on that, I feel like he's in on it. You know. Something tells me that he is. Like he's a grown man. He's the more successful of the two. I feel like he is to some extent either a willing or unwilling participant, but a participant. A participant nonetheless. You know what I mean? I refuse to believe that this is a 50-something-year-old man with so much money and such an established career who's a victim in all this. I feel like somehow, to some extent, no child painty, bro, or whatever it is. But
capable of anything.
Bruh, you know, so it's a child painting, but this man is not. He's not blind. He's not dumb.
Mina into yabona mningi ngicabanga ukuthi uJada ngojada bro, like yena vele ngumuntu onjalo la ngendlela akhuluma ngayo khona kya yikho and akakufihli yebo, but in the process ule ndoda yakhe nguWill Smith emthanda noma enjalo inhliziyo vele ikhetha khona okwana.
And another thing why people Will Smith Bedbugs, he's been America's angazi.
Yeah, I go to Will Smith very brand.
His brand is like we talked about it, like WWE, like the good guys. What are they called? Or the exactly like he's a good guy. You know, from the time from Fresh Prince.
Even a rap Will Smith, why rap raps are clean.
My own mother liked Will Smith's music simply because there were no curse words in it, bro.
Yeah,
you know what I mean. So even at the time of the slap, people were so shocked because they're like, this is so out of character for this guy. If it was someone like the baby or the game, bro, smacking someone on stage, that's on brand. That is on brand, yeah. So I feel like you go get to Sabanta Banning, but the real point that I wanted to make for me is a lesson, bro. My male best is Leon. You know, listen. There is this guy. His name is Tupac, bro. He has Shakur or Shakur, whatever it is, bro. Utulani. Exactly. You know. And I mean, the whole world knows that he was close friends with Jada for a while, especially at the time of his death. They were at best friend level. Yeah. And the narrative that people have right now is that Will Smith is suffering because this woman is not over her best friend's death.
20-something years.
20-something years later.
Like a fuck, bro.
You check. So it's just showing me that Brian Dawale my opposite gender best friendships, whatever. It's not practical, bro. Yeah.
Gender friends, what after
There's even sign like a contract, like even a music contract. There's a part where they say they have the right to use your image and likeness in any way they see fit. So I do sign a contract. I think Will Smith was clone. Oh, sister, clone. So she's just rocking the boat so fucking hard until we're all like, what the fuck? Because
why would
what's up for the movie? What the movie? What means that with Gemini man?
I'm clone up.
I rest my
they
case.
Put a Mandela on him, bro.
I rest my case. This is not the original Will Smith. Original Will Smith wafa. So this nigga
But I want to win.
I miss today, and then you Jada.
But if that were to win, do you think he died?
My chance. He people didn't khaki, yabo. So yeah. So many people say he fucked up until the city. Ha. But how about for when you give him into you for him tempi.
But when all right, ungubafo. Wenzani ku situation enje so.
Yeah, she's in Palm.
Mina personally ngingubafo, bro. Like it's a very tough situation, bro. Like this is a woman that you married. It's a woman that you're obviously in love with. It's the mother of your it's the mother of your kids, bro. It's not as simple as just saying, you know what, fuck you. Let's go our separate ways.
Check particular snippets ka Will Smith and ukhuluma about open relationship. Sithi twa yaqalile.
JT uyala khona.
UJT uyala.
Uthawa. Uyala.
Uthi ba separate.
Uthi ngeza ke ngingene mina ku open relationship
no,
like
but
that.
she then also says that they were separated from 2016.
In interview na lethi ngibukele. Uyakhuluma ukuthi ngiyacabanga umuntu omdala mina ngeza ke ngene ku relationship ngithi will humble paper like abanye abantu la.
Because we will try crash yakhe la ema movie.
But wathi
Ngiloko ze.
Marco Ropi. That's what they say. But here's the thing: whether they were
hope you did.
separated, or,
Nyenyeza njani? Passionate.
do you know?
did,
let
bro,
me-
like-
Mana ngiqedisa ukuthi utheni. Uthe but singabantu siphile emhlabeni into lezi ziyenzakala lami ngalingeka la walingeka so bese sile into leyana othi xa sengimoshile nizakhuluma ukuthi Jay la abazokumoshakele
Kathi
sengivela
why
khona.
kwakhe kuyikho kodwa kuphumayo. Is what I'm saying. Even if they were,
Ubafanele udecide ukuthula.
Exactly. That's
Ubafo
what I'm saying. The
respect
power of
relationship yabo.
silence, bruh.
Ubafo, whether they were separated or open, Ubafo got like, do you know, bro? Vele it was people knew ukuthi Will Smith lo Margot Robbie had great chemistry on screen and off screen. Ngesikhathi besebenza uFocus and even
Suicide Squad, bro. A lot of, yeah.
They had a lot of chemistry and people assumed ukuthi la khona ukushaya amanzi. But Ubafo never, let it. My sister yena webhizi ehlezi kulokhu uzenini ekhuluma ukuthi
Red tape.
mina babe ngiqamla iqolo lapha.
But I was feel like red tape ngoba Will my sister wamele ahambe yedwa. Will ngiyo insista ukuthi Jay
Anibamhlona.
isecret yethu le also ufuna ukuthi uyayitshela abantu wena. I don't think ungayenza mina ngingekho.
Watsho njalo.
Mara ngikusupport. Into ekhulunywa nguJetu ukuthi Ubafo
Kalokho silalela yena kanti hayi.
because ngiyolokho ekhuluma bro.
No, but the reason why I then say that this guy is not dumb. I'm not calling him a
a clone.
mastermind. I'm not calling him a clone either. But I'm saying his silence, bro, like he says a lot. Remember, like whoever's running his PR, bro, like they tuned him shut the fuck up. And that's the best advice they gave
But
that guy.
yakhala yini.
Wayibona ikhile kuze le nyanga
Khale
ipost.
phela sikuboni nje.
Bro. Impinqa uzishayela ama hose enketha.
Indlwawo. Uthi okay ngiyeza.
Impinqa Ubafo vele nje ukuziphilela vele enye life vele akalandaba lani. Shaya ama hose.
Mina
Uthi
bara
bheka
But
le
anyway,
bhare le.
kule ntwala eParis lithini?
Into lezi.
Kanti intwana uvele kuzenini.
Garry-
Insikizi.
Ama bedbugs ngesindebele kweni.
Nazi intwala lezo.
Intwala ilice.
Oh.
Insikizi
Ndabukwazi
ngezinjani.
intwala la nto.
Athi amakhiwa agezi mfana. But I can tell you. Them
Actually,
fuckers don't
speaking of Intwala, I've actually got a story about Intwala, bro. I've never encountered it myself. I don't know what it is, but like from stories that I hear,
That's good.
Intwala na jeki twa jeki ayiko sharp jeki. From stories that I hear,
Mani intwala lensikizi.
same
Intwala
family, though.
ngokunye.
Yeah, but my story is about Intwala. My barber, former barber actually, in Zahla Lakers, he once told me a story about ukuthi wake wabochwa. Like for some reason, when these guys say the wabochwa, they never did the crime. All of them.
Yeah.
But I chose to go along with it because his story looked like it was going
Ilokhu
somewhere.
yana ukuthi umuntu nxa efuna uxoxela istory athi Kbrizzy amazi noma ungamazi yathi
Exactly. Ubonga uvuma kuphela. So the guy says, ngabochwela kuthiwa ngatshontshile kuze ngoda ntshontshanga but I was like, cool my G, it's fine, I believe.
Obvious wena
Eh,
untshontsha
asi-
ngamembe yami wasohamba nje.
Uhamba nje ejele.
Wasohamba njani? So suseje. Exactly. So anyway, well, uthi sejela and so I'm saying, bro, like tell me your experience, bro. Like it fascinates me because I know myself. I've seen my ass, bro. I'd never survive in jail, bro. Like, so I'm fascinated by the subject. So I'm like, show me about your experience, bro. So bagu, were you raped or anything like that? Like, nah, son, it's not even that deep.
I won't. Booty warrior.
We can either do it the easy way
Or the
hard way. The choice is yours. Anyway, so so he then tells me, no, Elokuzenekhaya is not even like that, but we don't even have our own cells, bro. So we see 100, whatever, sleep in one room. So, but he's like, nah, I only had one thing, and at that point, the reason why I know this was serious is he stopped cutting my hair. The entire time, you look at you know how papas are. But to say this, bro,
Wathiyazi membe yami mana ngihlale phansi.
wachicha nje kumtshina nje. Wathi nje kule nto kuthiwa yintwana.
Intwala ziraf.
Uthi check intwana nje usathane, bro. Like fuck.
Intwala ilice. Bedbugs
Man,
insikizi.
insikizi zona like effect yensikizi
Le ntwala.
le ntwala like
I wouldn't know, but nekwazi.
Mina mbona ngani intwala maybe ngama cream bomba then
right?
insikizi impukana.
Maybe, but intwala ziyahlala enweleni. Intwala izezibuya ngoku.
So wena
because lapha kuthiwa the
Take care of
insects
your hair.
typically reside in mattresses and bed frames, lying in wait for humans to go sleep before they crawl up and suck blood for their tea.
Yazi insikizi bakwazi yansulazo. uyabona ungaziboni during the day but every time ungalala mavuka ekuseni inqaba ulunya uphonga unwayo uyabsude insikisi but imagine inkinga yensikisi queen ziyangena lakhe empahleni la ku luggage so ungahambe echayela umuntu iround or inqaba uhambe ilale lot
uzibone sikwenya
2 or 3 days uphenduke
ine maronda
Ngelana ngubhebhane emalodge eParis. Mana kunemaleni. Uyaselile ntwala khona.
uyaselensikisi amakhiwa vela agezi kubela ama bedbugs eParis
Nje bakwazi igarlic kuphela.
So I read some lokuze ndiwe was of currently i rugby world cup ise France
basiphathelile kuze
vele babuya lazo but lakina sila muntu lemali kulomuntu ebulawa ose Paris ales kulomuntu ebulawa ose Paris
no, my heart is definitely in Paris now, but you know.
Ufike Paris engimazi.
yebo
Yeah.
Nobody.
Khona emazi.
Jane katonga. Ungeke Paris.
Oh ngeke ba ukuthi idoti.
How? Thense promote lapho unga.
Mina.
But asikeze.
Paparazzi. Ngangabi nga. Where was I when?
umntu azathenga umbuzo lo ilokuze ni
Anyway, it's okay.
so angazi tema bedbugs akhona I think they might spread out to London or
Ngibezokuthiwa sefikile.
Madanda ubulaleko kuyinto lokho.
Chirinda Madura dust
No, ayisebenzi.
aliyazi Chirinda Madura lini
Ichirena madura isebenzi
uyazi Chirinda Madura
Iyazi.
but azange
Ngikufake emumbini.
emunjini
Emumbini.
Emunjini.
hayi lokuze
Para asekhona sezikhona eUK. Eish, Thai Luton I think.
So ama
Ngabona
nesi
sibili-
seseshuni
like-
intwala kathesi.
Ngabona kwenziwe ipost on Instagram kuthiwa iLuton ngani sokuqalisile abantu kuma comments besithi
Ngizwa abantu
obvious.
besithi I was reading an article talking about they were taking pictures of it ebhasini or something unjani yabo lentwala insikize ebhasini insikize angaze ngiyibone
Try iLuton like iLuton sibili kuma comments abantu babevuma lapha I think iLuton ngani lobumbare mbijani.
Oh.
I've got a question though. Into leskumangai, is it something that's visible to the naked eye?
not
or-
really you'd have to really
But the end result yangoni visible.
Oh, all right.
you know when you
Yeah.
when you get it uzatu so every day uvulunyiwe then you just have to
If you know, you know.
amakhiwa jika scrafa uzobona amakhiwa oka barefoot emall wena emall dog so those people do all kinds of fucking shady shit
Jane
But
besita
thina sesihamba
makiwa.
nginyawo kudala bengakabuyi.
Jane besita makiwa.
doesn't
Yeah.
work emall osebhundu
Like
Anyway, lingahambi eParis.
mina vele kungahambanga ivare mvuka
obani?
Ubani? Sitshela. Ukhuluma into interesting na.
Ikhulumile Jane le.
Sokuyisikhathi lesiyana esekuthi sivalelise sicele njalo abaqalisayo ukusibukela lapha ekhaya lingakhohlwa ukusubscribe to this channel, like this video, share it on your WhatsApp status, and don't forget to comment as well.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't
Yeah.
forget to watch on your TV.
Isende labazali bakho, isende laba
Pana.
isende i-podcast le indawo yonke. Kanjalo phela.
Amen.
All right. Thank you.
Hiyo lana eti pu 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 pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit 'em in a Honda. But are you ready?